Solar panel systems are a great source of renewable energy, allowing homeowners and businesses to save money and reduce their carbon footprint. However, the installation and maintenance of solar panels come with some risk of fire, making it crucial to have proper safety measures in place. In this presentation, we will discuss the importance of solar panel fire safety and how you can protect your property and yourself. Causes of solar panel fires. One of the major causes of solar panel fires is improperly installed or maintained wiring. This can cause electrical arcing, which ignites the panel and surrounding materials. Another cause could be the accumulation of debris on the panel, resulting in overheating. It's important to regularly inspect and maintain your solar panels to prevent potential fire hazards. With the rising popularity of solar panels, it's essential to be aware of the potential fire hazards they pose. To prevent solar panel fires, proper installation and maintenance are crucial. Regularly inspect and clean your panels to prevent debris buildup, which can ignite and start a fire. Furthermore, ensure your panels are installed by a licensed technician and don't overcrowd them with too many panels. Don't underestimate the importance of electrical wiring. Make sure it complies with local and national requirements. Investing in a fire suppression system or fire-resistant materials can be effective in case of a fire. Don't wait for an incident to occur before you take action. Be proactive in ensuring the safety of your solar panel system. Have a response and evacuation plan in place for solar panel fires. Call emergency services, shut down the system, and evacuate immediately. Quick action and preparedness can prevent major damage and ensure safety. Ensuring solar panel safety is paramount to avoid potential fire hazard. Proper installation, maintenance, and monitoring can reduce the risk of fire incidents. Moreover, advancements in technology can lead to the creation of fire-resistant solar panels. It is crucial to continuously improve and update safety protocols to ensure the safe and sustainable use of solar technology. In conclusion, prioritizing solar panel safety is vital for a greener and safer future. Thank you for watching ElectroSigns. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We appreciate your support and hope to see you on the next one. Goodbye.